Hello, good morning. Welcome to Paradise Hotel. I'm Adrian. How may I assist you?
Hi, good morning. I would like to stay here.
Do you have a reservation before, sir?
No, I don't have.
May I have your full name, please?
It's Eleazar Morales.
May I know what type you want, ma'am? We have single room, twin room, and suite room.
I want a suite room, please.
For how
For 5 days.
and how many person?
That is for 2 person, me and my young sister.
Do you want a special request, ma'am?
I would like a room with a sea view.
Wait a moment, ma'am. I would like to check the available room.
Yes, please.
Thank you for waiting, ma'am. The room is still available for you.
Yes, thank you.
The room rate is 3,000 night, including breakfast, and the room rate for 5 nights will be 50,000. Would you like to take the room, ma'am?
Yes, I'll take the room.
May I know you're paying by cash or credit card?
Yes, thank you.
For that, we'll make a guarantee payment for 5 nights for a total of 15,000.
Sure.